This cordless vacuum is finally back in stock, and I'm going to show you guys a few reasons you're going to want to grab this before it sells out again. The first thing that makes this way better than a traditional vacuum is the compact design, so you're going to be able to get into those hard to reach places way easier than you could with the standard vacuum. This also has built-in LEDs, so you're going to be able to see everything within those hard to reach places. My favorite part is that this weighs less than 3 pounds, so you can easily pick it up and use it on any surfaces you want to get pet hair or anything else that's on those surfaces. This is on sale right now for 35% off, and the last 2 times that they've ran a sale like that, they've sold out within just a week. I'm going to leave a link so that you guys can check it out if it's still available.